Guys, we're doing 3 racks of baby back ribs on my pit barrel cooker coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all 3 on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, so what are we doing here today? We are putting some nice, meaty baby back ribs on my pit barrel cooker. All right, we're using some Applewood, little Kingsford Blue. It's gonna be delicious. I got these from Costco in a 3-pack. I think it's Smithfield, I believe. They came back already trimmed. The package, when I opened it up, it was like, ah. I was so excited because the membrane had already been taken off. They've been trimmed up real nice. So all I had to do was put the rub on. I got 2 kinds of rubs that I'm gonna use on this, and they both come from JP BBQ. We have JP's all-purpose, so JP AP, and then we have the JP Licious. So I'm going to do a light dusting of the JP AP, and then I'm going to do a full coverage of the JP Licious rub. Like I said, we're going to get them hanging on the pit barrel. We're going to just use a couple chunks of Applewood. You don't need much in the pit barrel. We don't need a lot of wood in there. It's going to produce all the smoke and good flavor you need. Everybody says it, the pit barrel cooker is a rib cooking machine, and it is. This is a set it and forget it. I'm going to put the ribs on, and I'm going to come back in a couple hours. Maybe if I need to do a spritz, I will, but this thing, it's the humidity stays in there too, so you may not need a spritz. So we're going to check it out together, but that's it, guys. So let's get over here. We'll get this pit barrel set up, and then we'll get the ribs hanging. Okay, we already got our Applewood chunks in there. Had these coals burning for about 12 minutes now, like it says on the package. And we're just gonna pour these right in the middle. I got my chimney here. This chimney is especially designed for pit barrel cookers. So I'll leave a link for this down below too. But it's about half the size, and it fits in really well right here, okay? All right, we're gonna let these come up a little bit, and then we'll get these ribs hung. We're ready to get going with this. Gonna put the rebar in. I have my little temperature probe in here that I just kind of let hang off. Let's get these ribs on. Once I put the lid on, the fire will die down a bit in there. It's getting too much oxygen right now, but we're gonna cap that bad boy off. Make sure it's tight. We're good to go. About an hour and a half in. I'm gonna pull one of these up so we can take a look at it. It's looking good. I think we should spritz it though. I'm gonna go get something to spritz it with. Do a little juice maybe, a little water. I think we're doing some good things in there. It smells delicious. I'm digging it. Going on 2.5 hours so far. I'm gonna check the temp on these thick parts right here. So we still got a ways to go on that one. Alright, so I think we got another hour or so. I'm gonna give these a quick spritz. Come on back. All right, got a little cranberry juice here. Get some spritzy going. A little spritzy. This is just cranberry juice. Just keeping these nice and moist. By the way, guys, I just got this thing. Pit Barrel wants you to have some fun. Everything you can get with a bottle opener on top of it. The Pit Barrel, you can get one in there. They have new tongs. They have the bottle opener, and then your hook grabber. It's looking good. I don't know about you guys, but wow. So hey, link down below, huh? I think everybody wants one of these. Alright guys, we're ready to sauce these bad boys up. We'll try to stay out of the light. I'm just gonna lay these over. Oop, that ain't a sexy picture right there. Alright, let's get this barbecue sauce on there. We just got a little chipotle, little chipotle, whoops, little Miss Renfo's chipotle. Just doing a little, you know, we talked about this in the past. I'm not a saucy kind of guy, so I don't put a lot of sauce on, but a little bit of sauce ain't never hurt nobody. Never hurt nobody. It's looking good. Alright, I'm gonna get these sauced up real nice. Sorry I didn't put my lapel mic on, so you're getting a little extra noise in the background. My bad. Let these tighten up real quick with the sauce. I'm only doing the tops too. I'm just not worried about, you know, all over kind of saucing. Man, if these don't look good, I don't want to know you. Look at that. Alright. Let's do a quick temp check since we got everything out here. Woo. 70, 80. There you go. We're climbing. They're feeling pretty tender. Not quite probe tender yet. We got work to do. Let's see that one. Oh, that slid in pretty nice. 194. Alright, we're getting about 200. Not afraid to party. 200. Alright, I'm going to let these go for about another half hour or so. We're not wrapping. We are not wrapping. This is looking good. Come on back and we'll be chopping these up. Let's look at them, huh? Let's take these hooks out of these ribs right quick. That's what I like to say. We got racks on racks on racks. Oh, I'm so hip. Look at that. It's a nice bit of ribbiness right there. That's looking good. These are done. They were falling apart. So let's just get to slicing. This is like the smaller one. And actually when I was pulling them out, I don't know if you can see that right there. I was pulling the ribs out and there was one rib right here. One bone right here that it's kind of missing. We gave that up to the barbecue gods. Got a little tender on me, I guess. Oh, I love it. It's too funny. I'm gonna give me a big old meaty one right here. A little bit falling off. That nice little smoke ring right there. Don't mind if I do. A little bit falling off there. Take a little bite. See how we're looking. That's clean. That's clean off the bone right there. All right. That's good stuff. Let me get the rest of these chopped up. Take a picture for the thumbnail. Guys, this is too good. Too good. We'll talk about it outside. I'm gonna tell you another bite. Look at that. It's clean. Go me. All right, guys, that's it. This has been a great little video. These ribs turned out excellent. We cut them up inside. You got to see the beautiful smoke ring, that great flavor. Oh, well, you didn't get to see that, but I took a bite. It was excellent. I loved it. Give this a shot. If you guys want a pit barrel cooker, I'll put the link down below. and I'll pin it in the comments. You get one of these. I love this pit barrel cooker. All right, I'm so glad I got one. It made easy work of these ribs, so give it a go. Guys, we have merch. Now, I'm not rocking it right now. Great time for the air conditioning, but links down below to my Teespring store. Become part of CJ's crew. It has CJ logo on there, crew on the back. We have another one with the CJ logo on and the bear logo on the back. You see that at the end of my videos. So check it out. Got coffee mugs and stickers too, you know, whatever. But do it, grab a shirt, be a part of CJ's crew for real. And then I set up a Patreon account. We'll put the link for that right up there. All right, join a couple little tiers, couple little incentives, little things that I could do with you guys if you become a Patreon. It's a monthly subscription service, don't cost much, but every little bit helps the channel, right? Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that red button now and the bell next to it so you get alerts, okay? I think a lot of my subscribers aren't getting alerts because they're not clicking that bell. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.